Want a Squarespace site that doesn't look like everyone else's? Start by defining a unique visual direction, color, type, and tone. Next, swap default fonts for two contrasting typefaces. Replace stock images with original photos or consistent image filters. Use layout tweaks, overlap sections, adjust padding, and play with grids. I'll show quick before and after edits inside the Squarespace editor. Tip 1. Change the header with big type, vertical spacing, and logo size. Tip 2. Customize buttons, color, rounded corners, and hover states. Tip 3. Add a simple signature section to show personality and trust. Quick screencast. Edit a gallery block to match your brand's filters and crop style. Before and after, watch the default template transform into a distinct branded homepage. Wrap up. Small edits create big impact. Try one change on your site today.